All right, y'all. Today's recap is pretty quick. We had this 2 hour supply level, and it was a 4 hour level right here as well that I posted in the daily zones, and a video I posted talking about it and showing where it formed. So essentially, we were just waiting, and my kids are home. They do not know how to be quiet for some reason, so they're going to be in the background. Sorry. Um, so we were waiting for price to come up. Price pushed up into the zone, triggered the first candle of the market. I did not enter on this candle. I have a rule where I don't enter the first candle of the day just because it's really volatile. It could be a false move. You know what I mean? Like it's all types of things. So I typically like to wait. But because it came up and triggered so heavily, I went over then to my Heiken Ashi chart. And this candle initially started off as a green candle, but as the 9:30 candle continued to form, it pushed down, turned red, and had these wicks, long wicks on the top and the bottom. So when this next candle opened at 9:31 with a flat top, that's when I went ahead and entered. I took this trade for about 6 points down and made like a little over almost $700, like $670. As you can see, price came down, it consolidated, chopped a little bit, and then dropped even more. I did not hold through that, but that would have been a really nice trade from 59.12 all the way down to 58.84. So essentially that's it, just a level Heiken Ashi confirmation. And that was it for the day. Let me see where price is right now. And in the video, sorry, y'all, my son is here. In the video, if you watched it, I was saying that that 2 hour level that I was looking at had the potential to, let me try to zoom in. Oh my God, what? That 2 hour level had the potential to actually bounce back up and create a demand zone. Hold on. Let me zoom into here. Yeah, it had the potential to actually bounce back up because this long wick right here, that even though we had dropped out on this 2 hour to form the supply, the fact that it pushed back up this far in the same candle actually forms kind of like a support slash demand zone here. So it had the potential to push back up through this resistance, through this trend line throughout the day. So I'll just be watching. I'm not going to be taking any more trades, but you could potentially, you can easily make narratives for both sides of the market. Like, oh, we're up here at this trend line. It could continue to go down. Yeah, but we're also up here kind of bouncing off of this little support right here. So it could continue to go up and push through the trend line. We are still in an overall uptrend. Okay. We have not made a lower low yet on the higher time frames. Price would have to get below this level right here, this 58.7650. This is our key level for it to make a lower low. So if price goes below this, then we will have to watch and see what happens. Are we going to switch to a quick downtrend? Are we going to consolidate for a little while? But until then, we're still bullish. And we could push up right here. All right, I will see you guys. Well, not tomorrow. I'll see you guys Monday. Bye.